Hey YouTube, doing a video about my RC cars for sale. It's a Revo 3.3, has many bodies, upgraded, new engine, new arms, rims, gas tank, shocks, everything. There's one body. It's a custom painted one. There's another. I also have a Losi for sale. It's brushless LiPo battery. It's my touring car. It's an HPI. Two Stampedes. This one's all upgraded, has everything aluminum. My Mini Cooper, Nitro Rustler. Runs great, just has one of the wheels off. It's an electric Rustler right here. I just have to put the wheels back on. Here's an old Tamiya up here, it's all-wheel drive. Some other bodies. Here's the Evader. Durex makes it. Really nice shocks. Also, I have tons of batteries. There's an old racer down there. Tons of parts. Wheels. So email me if you're interested.